This is my mama's makeup and crochet channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is a part of the series that I'm doing where I create eye makeup looks inspired by yarn cakes. Today's inspiration is this gradient yarn. This is called Petunia by Ashley's Crochet. And these colors are already on my eyes. So we have here the outer part, violet, the outer part as well on my eyes. And then lavender, I used that on the crease and the transition color. And what is this pink? I'm not sure. I think watermelon pink or salmon. So I have that on the center of the lid. And the inner light pink part on my inner corner as well, and on the tear ducts. And I used shimmer shade for that because of course we gotta have shimmer. And for this eye makeup look, I used this palettes from Jeffree Cosmetics. This is the Bloodlust Artistry palette, and the other one is the Jawbreaker eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. I did my best to replicate the colors in this yarn. I hope you like it. Please keep on watching because up next is the tutorial. Okay, so let's start. I already moisturized my face with this fresh Skinlab Aloe Vera Hydrate and Restore All Day Makeup Setter Face and Body Mist, and this soothing gel from Luxe Organix, Aloe Vera and Snail. And now my face is ready for the primer. I will be using the POREfessional Pore Primer from Benefit. So I'm just spreading it all over my face using my fingers. And for the foundation, I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. I actually got this today and it's still sealed. The shade is 125 Natural Rose. I really hope this shade is okay for me. Hey, the pump is not working. Okay, anyway, I got what I needed. Let's see. I'm using this Real Technique sponge. Yeah, I think it's okay. Up next is our concealer. I'll be using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in light. So of course under my eyes. And on several spots on my face, dark spots. Just like this one. It's still showing, but that's the best I can do. Let's move on to our eyebrows. I will be using this Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil. The shade is Natural Brown. I'm doing an outline. Now I'm filling it in. And now I'm brushing using this spoolie that comes with the pencil. And I'll do the same with the other one. And for my eyeshadow base, I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in Natural Rose. Let's blend it out using this Real Technique sponge again. And I will set the eyelids with this L'Oreal Hydra Perfecte Perfecting Loose Powder. The shade is 916 Translucent. Okay, this is a deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques. To get those colors from the yarn, I will be using this Jeffree Cosmetics Bloodlust Artistry palette. Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside. Okay, I love this packaging. So cute. And I will also be using some shades from the Jawbreaker palette, also from Jeffree Cosmetics. Let's start off with our transition color. I will be using this shade right here, Deviant. Okay. Oh, and I'm using this Morphe X Jeffree Star JS5 brush. This is a very light lavender shade. I like it. And for the crease, I will be using Vivid Mood. And here on my crease, I'm just tracing the socket. Okay, and this is Morphe X Jeffree Star JS9 brush. So I'm blending this out with this motion. And for the outer V, I will be using Blood Queen. I'm using this Morphe M321 brush. And I'm also blending it into the crease. And I will be using Vivid Mood again on the outer third. I'm just gonna blend it with the Blood Queen. And this brush is also from the Morphe X Jeffree Star collection. This is the JS12 brush. And on the center, I will be using this shade right here, FUCK, mixed with Bubblegum. This is also the JS12 brush. I just cleaned it up with the color switch. Okay, I'm trying to copy that color from the yarn. And I will be doing a half cut crease. I will use the L'Oreal concealer again. Okay, with this fine liner brush from Real Techniques. It's always harder here on my left. I think I made a mess. I'm now blending the concealer. So now that's done. It's not as sharp as I want it to be, but that's okay. And I will just set the concealer with this shade, Your Majesty. And for the inner corner, I will be using this shade right here, Wet Jewel. Okay, and I will just add a little bit of the FUCK and Bubblegum here on the middle because it got diffused by this Wet Jewel. I will sharpen the crease with this liner brush using Vivid Mood again, the one that we used on the crease. And I will just add some more of that Vivid Mood right here on the outer third. I'm just gonna deepen the color here on the outer V using the same color we used earlier, Blood Queen. Okay, and I'm going to use this liner brush again for my bottom lash line. I'm using Blood Queen. Okay, I'm connecting it to the outer V. And I will use Vivid Mood again. And I'll add the shimmer also here. And I will smudge this a bit. I guess I'm done with the eyeshadows. I will just clean up the surrounding area, put on some false eyelashes and eyeliner, and I will be back. And now let's move on to our contour, blush, and highlight. I will be using this rose gold stack from the Tarte 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe. There, so this will be my contour, this will be my blush, and this will be my highlighter right here. And I'm using this sculpting brush from Real Techniques. Okay, so it's a bit darker. Okay, let's blend it out later. And on the jawline, on the sides, and on my forehead. For the blush, I'm using this RT400 blush brush from Real Techniques. Here on my cheek, up to my hairline here. And let's highlight using this RT402 brush from Real Techniques. Here, on top of my cheekbone. And now I will move on to my nose contour. I will be using this medium shadow brush from Real Techniques. So here, connecting it with my eyebrow, going down. And now let's highlight the nose. I will be using this angled foundation brush from Eco Tools. Here on the bridge, and also on the Cupid's bow. And now the lips, I will line it first with this waterproof lip liner. The brand is Flormar, number 202. And then I will be using this MAC lipstick. The shade is Sea Sheer. Then I will apply setting powder all over. This is the same setting powder we used earlier, the L'Oreal one. Okay, this is the blush brush from Real Techniques. Lastly, the setting spray. I will be using this Sephora Beauty Amplifier Set and Refresh Spray. And that's it for our makeup. I will just do something about this hair and I will be back. And this is our final look. Once again, this eye makeup look is inspired by this yarn cake right here. I love this gradient. It's so girly, so cute. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.
Like if you like this video. Subscribe if you love it. Share if you care. Thank you for watching. Bye.